As we mentioned at the top of the show, Mayor LaToya Cantrell announced a mask mandate for the city of New Orleans and mandatory vaccinations for city workers. That was all within the last 30 minutes or so. Mike McDaniel joins us now live with more. Mike.
Yeah, a lot came out of this news conference. Some major takeaways here. As you mentioned, that indoor mask mandate effective immediately here in the city of New Orleans. This applies to anyone, vaccinated or unvaccinated. You may remember just last week, the city implemented an advisory, a mask advisory, and they were going to kind of wait around to see how the numbers were progressing. Well, they're not good. Currently, the city is testing at a 10.7% positivity rate. That's up a little more than 4% from last week. So now we're moving in this direction. Another big takeaway that you mentioned here, mandatory vaccinations for all city employees. Currently, there are about 4,000 city employees with a vaccination rate of about 70%. Now, the mayor says that's just simply not enough, and so she's moving to this mandatory vaccination mandate. Now, this will even extend to city contractors. Major contractors were notified about this within probably the last 30 minutes. If they want to do business with the city, they have to have their employees vaccinated. The city, of course, also urging businesses in the community to have their employees vaccinated as well. It's not a mandate. It's just a big encouragement from the city to try to make sure businesses are doing their part in this community by mandating vaccines as well. Now, earlier today, the governor stopped short of issuing some type of mask mandate, saying he was getting some pressure from hospital organizations, but he wanted to wait for CDC data as well as some data from health regions across the state. But the mayor says she's not wasting time. Take a listen to what she said a little earlier.
Well, our doctors are saying you need that mask on, but absolutely indoor. Outdoor, we've had the mask requirement if there are groups or gatherings over 500. We're encouraging and advising people to mask up. And in terms of the mandatory, we're looking indoor first. And absolutely, when you think about those large gatherings and even small gatherings.
Now, one of the more consequential issues or problems the city is facing right now is not having the capacity to respond to 911 calls. The mayor says that medical services are just overwhelmed because of COVID calls, so the mayor has now signed an executive contract trying to get more capacity on the ground. So that's in the works right now. Live from City Hall, Mike McDaniel, Eyewitness News.